Living in Clearwater, Florida, means enjoying sunny skies, warm temperatures, and coastal breezes. However, the region's hot, humid climate and occasional tropical storms can take a toll on your home's energy efficiency. Installing energy-efficient doors is a smart solution to enhance comfort, reduce utility bills, and protect your home from the elements. Here's why energy-efficient doors are the perfect choice for Clearwater homeowners and how they can transform your living space. Enhanced energy savings. Clearwater's warm, humid weather often leads to heavy reliance on air conditioning to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Unfortunately, older or inefficient doors can let cool air escape and warm air seep in, making your HVAC system work overtime. How energy-efficient doors save you money. Insulated cores. Many energy-efficient doors are designed with foam-filled cores that provide superior insulation, reducing heat transfer. Low-E glass. If your door includes glass panels, low-E, low emissivity, coatings reflect heat and block UV rays, keeping your home cooler. Tight seals. Advanced weather stripping prevents air leaks, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature and reducing the strain on your HVAC system. By improving insulation, energy-efficient doors help lower your energy bills and create a more sustainable home. Superior moisture resistance. Clearwater's coastal environment means high humidity levels and frequent exposure to moisture. Traditional doors, especially wooden ones, can warp, swell, or rot over time, compromising their performance and lifespan. Energy-efficient doors are built to withstand moisture. Durable materials. Fiberglass and steel doors resist water damage, making them ideal for Clearwater's humid climate. Weatherproof coatings. Factory-applied finishes protect doors from peeling, cracking, or fading due to moisture exposure. Sealed construction. Energy-efficient doors are designed to prevent water intrusion, reducing the risk of mold or mildew. These features ensure your doors remain functional and visually appealing despite Clearwater's challenging conditions. Protection against UV rays. Clearwater's abundant sunshine can lead to fading and discoloration of furniture, flooring, and decor. Energy-efficient doors with UV blocking technology protect your interiors from sun damage while maintaining natural light. UV protection features. Low-E glass panels. These coatings reduce the amount of UV radiation entering your home without compromising visibility. Tinted options. Tinted glass offers additional protection from glare and heat, creating a more comfortable living space. Preserves interiors. UV blocking doors prevent fading and extend the lifespan of your furnishings. With energy-efficient doors, you can enjoy Clearwater's sunny weather without worrying about its impact on your home's interiors. Increased durability and longevity. Energy-efficient doors are designed to withstand Clearwater's unique climate challenges, offering long-term value and reliability. Built to last. Resilient frames. Materials like fiberglass and composite resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, ensuring durability. Impact-resistant options. Some energy-efficient doors are hurricane-rated, providing added protection against strong winds and flying debris. Minimal maintenance. High-quality finishes and weatherproof designs reduce upkeep, saving you time and effort. Investing in energy-efficient doors means fewer replacements and repairs, making them a cost-effective choice for Clearwater homeowners. Improved comfort year-round. Energy-efficient doors contribute to a more comfortable living environment by regulating indoor temperatures and minimizing drafts. Comfort-enhancing features. Thermal insulation. Insulated cores and weather stripping reduce temperature fluctuations, eliminating hot and cold spots. Noise reduction. The same insulating properties that save energy also dampen outdoor noise, creating a quieter home. Draft prevention. Sealed designs keep cool air inside and hot, humid air out, ensuring year-round comfort. These benefits are particularly valuable in Clearwater, where staying cool during summer months is a top priority. Environmentally friendly benefits. For Clearwater homeowners committed to sustainability, energy-efficient doors are a step toward reducing your environmental footprint. Eco-friendly advantages. Reduced energy consumption. Lowering your reliance on cooling systems decreases greenhouse gas emissions. Recyclable materials. Many energy-efficient doors are made from recyclable components, supporting sustainable practices. Long lifespan. Durable doors reduce waste by lasting longer and requiring fewer replacements. Choosing energy-efficient doors not only saves money but also contributes to a healthier planet. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is an investment that pays off in the long run. These doors enhance your home's curb appeal, functionality, and market value. Value-adding features. Modern aesthetics, sleek designs, decorative glass panels, and a variety of finishes give your home a fresh, updated look. Energy savings appeal. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with energy-efficient upgrades that promise reduced utility bills. Enhanced security. Many energy-efficient doors include reinforced frames and advanced locking systems, providing added peace of mind. Whether you're planning to sell your home or stay for years to come, energy-efficient doors add both style and substance. Conclusion. Energy-efficient doors are perfectly suited to Clearwater's climate, offering improved energy savings, durability, and comfort. From reducing cooling costs to protecting your home from moisture and UV rays, these doors provide a practical and stylish solution for coastal living. If you're ready to upgrade, contact a trusted door replacement specialist in Clearwater. With their expertise, you can choose doors tailored to your needs and enjoy the many benefits of energy efficiency in your beautiful Florida home.